Let's solve the equation x squared minus x cubed equals 12. We'll find the values of x that make this equation true. Here's the original equation. X squared minus x cubed equals 12. Let's write it down. To solve the equation, let's bring all the terms to one side. So we have 0 on the right side. We'll subtract 12 from both sides. Let's write the terms in standard order. That is, from highest power to lowest power. X cubed comes first, then x squared, then minus 12. We can factor out a -1 if we prefer positive leading coefficients. Let's try factoring or use the rational root theorem. Test some easy integer values for x, like x equals 1, 2, and minus 3. Let's check x equals 2 first. Substitute x equals 2 into the left side. That's not 0. Now check x equals minus 3. That's also not 0. Let's try x equals 1. None of these are zeros. Let's find the real roots algebraically using the cubic formula or graphically. Graphing helps us understand where the function crosses the x-axis. Looking at the graph of y equals x cubed minus x squared plus 12, we see that the curve does not cross the x-axis in our visible region. That means there are no real solutions. The solutions are complex numbers. Let's solve for x using the cubic equation. We set x cubed minus x squared plus 12 equals 0. This is a depressed cubic, and solutions will involve real and imaginary numbers. In summary, the equation x squared minus x cubed equals 12 does not have any real solutions. Its solutions are complex numbers. This can be seen by factoring or graphing, as we did in this lesson. Thanks for learning with us.